What is considered abuse for a protective order? When it comes to protective orders, understanding what is considered abuse is essential. Many people may wonder, what actions qualify for a protective order? Abuse typically involves actions that cause harm or create a reasonable fear of harm to a person or their children. This can include physical violence, threats, stalking, harassment, and sexual assault. Each of these behaviors can place the victim in danger and justify the need for legal protection. Physical abuse is one of the most recognized forms. This includes hitting, pushing, or any act that results in bodily harm. Even if no physical contact occurs, threats that instill fear of imminent harm can also qualify. For example, if someone verbally threatens another person, that can be grounds for a protective order. Stalking is another serious concern. This can involve repeated unwanted following, communication, or any behavior that makes the victim feel unsafe. Harassment, which can include unwanted contact or intimidation, also falls under this category. Sexual abuse or assault is equally serious and can lead to the need for a protective order. Protective orders are designed to prevent further abuse by legally restricting the abuser's contact with the victim and their family. They can prohibit the abuser from approaching the victim, their children, or their home, workplace, or school. In some cases, these orders may also restrict the abuser from possessing firearms. In the context of divorce and separation, protective orders are often sought to protect a spouse or children from domestic violence during the legal process. Courts can issue these orders quickly, sometimes without the abuser present. This is based on the victim's sworn statement that abuse has occurred or is likely to occur. Such orders can temporarily restrict the abuser's access to the family home and children, acting as a protective measure during custody or visitation disputes. It is important to remember that while protective orders are meant to prevent abuse, they can sometimes be misused in divorce cases. Some may attempt to use them strategically to gain an advantage in custody or property disputes. However, the legal standard for abuse focuses on actual or threatened harm. In summary, abuse that qualifies for a protective order includes physical violence, threats, stalking, harassment, and sexual assault. These orders serve as a legal tool to prevent further abuse, especially during divorce and separation proceedings where safety and custody issues are critical. Understanding these definitions can help victims seek the protection they need.